Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a new chapter that is called Cost and Revenue. In this chapter, I am going to teach today cost in short run. Okay, cost in short run. What is the meaning of short run and long run? We have already studied in previous chapter, but I am going to give little bit of idea what is the short run. Short run is a situation when we are going to change only the variable factors. Okay, it means whatever the variable factors, it is going to be changed. The variable factors are those factors like labor, raw material. So whatever the number of labor is going to be increased or decreased according to the fixed factor, that is situation of short run. So today in this new chapter I am going to teach the cost factor. It is a cost. So in this cost chapter we are going to study there are two types of cost. One is fixed cost, another is variable cost. My dear student, what is the meaning of fixed cost? In fixed cost, the cost which is permanently fixed, whether the production is going or not. Okay, suppose if you have any factory or firm, if the production is zero, the salary of permanent staff is always maintained. Okay, if the production is not going on, the loan taken by the firm, interest on loan paid. Okay, rent of the factory building, whether you are producing goods, either no, either more, etc., the rent of the factory building remain same. Depreciation on machinery, it is also a fixed cost. Property tax, it is also fixed cost. License, whatever the production maintain, you have to require a certain type of government license. So these are the fixed costs which remain same. It will not change according to the variable factors. Okay. What are the variable costs? My dear students, variable costs are those costs which are going to be changed according to the number of variables, factors of production. The workers who are doing job like a casual worker, the payment of wages and salaries is called variable cost. Okay? Raw material. If you are producing less commodity, you require raw material very less. If you are producing more commodity, you require raw material more and more. This cost is also called variable cost. Electricity charges, whatever the electricity consuming day-to-day factory, it is called electricity charges. Excise duties, it is related for the production of the goods and commodities, so it is also called variable cost. My dear student, in this cost you have to observe there are two types of cost for the production. In this cost you have seen that the fixed cost and variable cost. It is called total cost. So if you go through that, total cost of production, total cost is equal to fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost plus variable cost. It is a simple formula, my dear student. You keep remember what is the total cost? Fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, the fixed cost remains same in the short run production. Okay, so in this cost behavior you have to study there are different types of cost. First you have to study total fixed cost, that is called total fixed cost, that is called TFC. Okay, TFC, it is called TFC. TFC means whatever the fixed cost incurred for the producing the goods and services, that is called total fixed cost, that is called TFC. Again, average cost. Okay, so total average cost. Okay, total average cost. Okay, average cost, my dear student, you have to see average fixed going to be calculate, average is going to calculate for two, for the variable and for the fixed cost. Okay, for the fixed cost and for the variable cost. So average cost you can calculate. For coming video I will explain how to calculate the average cost and variable cost. So in this again you have a marginal cost also, my dear student. Marginal cost, that is called marginal cost, that is marginal cost is equal to MC. MC is going to be calculated with the total cost. So there are different types of cost. First is total cost. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Total fixed cost is also known as TFC, and average cost is also going to be calculated, that is on the variable cost. So that is called AFC, ABC, and here AFC. Okay, so average variable cost, average fixed cost, marginal cost. So in this marginal cost it is going to be calculated on the basis of total cost. So coming video I will explain with the help of the numerical. So let's revise what you have studied. There are two types of cost. One is fixed cost and another is variable cost. In short run, only the variable cost is going to be changes, because fixed cost, whatever the fixed factor of production remains same. It will not change. Okay, so it is called short run. In the short run production, whatever the cost in short run, that are the variable cost. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost, average cost, average variable cost, average fixed cost, and marginal cost. Okay, thank you.